Hey loves, in today's video I am trying the Roon Salar Chocolate Series 6-color gel polish collection. I used the polishes to create this diagonal color with gold flake nail art. I purchased each of these 6 gel polishes in the Roon Salar Chocolate Series collection for $3 on the Wish app. I am using the Your Sugar Gel in shade 615 as the base for this set. I think this light beige color will look really pretty with the different shades of brown I'll be using. I am starting off with shade 23. It is a gorgeous milk chocolate brown. I love the colors in this collection. To create my diagonal color block, I am starting at the left corner of the free edge of my natural nail and extending that color all the way to the right corner of my press-on. I will apply 3 coats, curing each coat for 30 seconds. I am applying the Blulu Gold Flake where the 2 colors meet. After I place my gold flake where I want it, I will gently press it down in place with my finger. To encapsulate my gold flake, I am applying a thin layer of the Model 1's base coat and curing for 30 seconds. Lastly, I am applying a thin layer of the Model 1's No Wipe top coat and curing for an additional 30 seconds. I thought it would be cute to do something different for my thumbnail. I am applying the Your Sugar Gel in shade 615. It is a really pretty gold glitter. To get the most opaque payoff from my glitter gels, I like to sponge them on. I did this 3 times with this gel polish, curing each coat for 30 seconds. And the gold flake complements the gold glitter so well. This nail is very pretty. Here are my completed chocolate gold nails. I absolutely love this set. These nails came out so pretty. I love the Roon Salar Chocolate Series collection gel polishes. They have amazing pigmentation, they apply so smoothly, and they're only $3 a bottle. I definitely recommend them. Check the description for all of the products that I used in today's video. Drop me a comment down below telling me what you think of my nails, and until next time, bye loves!